How to pronounce Hawaiʻi bird names. Forest birds of Hawaiʻi Island. The first Hawaiʻi Island species is the ʻakepa. ʻAkepa. Spelled Okina a kahako K-E-P-A. These brightly colored birds are tiny, weighing in at only about 10 grams, or about the weight of 2 U.S. quarters. Next up is the woodpecker-like ʻAkiapōla'au. ʻAkiapōla'au. Spelled Okina a kahako K-I-A P-O kahako L-A kahako Okina A-U. And finally for today, the alala. Alala. Spelled Okina A-L-A-L-A kahako. Due to disease, habitat loss, and persecution, the alala is extinct in the wild. The captive breeding program saved this species from extinction, and the alala project is spearheading an effort to restore them to the forest.